Dear student, today we will discuss chapter first, Evolution of Computer. In this chapter we will discuss how early man count things and computers that came before personal computers and about personal computers. Now, the concept of counting began long ago when early man came into existence. They do not have any machine to count, so they use stones, sticks, pebbles, bones, and many more same things for counting. They perform small calculation with the help of these things, but can't able to do difficult calculation. So, to overcome this problem, various instruments and machines were invented by various. The first one is abacus. Abacus was the first calculating device. It was invented by Tim Carner in China thousands of years ago. It could perform simple calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Napier bone. It was invented by John Napier in 1617. It is a rectangular device consisting of rods with numbers marked on them. It could perform simple calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now, the fathers of computer, Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage invented two machines, difference engine and analytical engine. In 1822, Charles Babbage invented a machine named difference engine that could perform simple mathematical calculation, and in 1833 he again invented a machine called analytical engine that is based on the process of in principle of that is based on the principle of input, process and output, and that machine is called analytical engine. Due to invention of this machine, he is called the father of computer, because computer is also based on the principle of input, process and output. Tabulating machine. An army engineer named Herman Hollerith invented this machine, and this work on electrical power. It could perform a it could perform various tasks very quickly and efficiently. It was used to calculate the population of US in 1890 to 1891. Now, this is about some devices that is used for calculation before the invention of personal computer. Next topics we will discuss in next class. Thank you.